Bye.
traffic.
Nanay is going to delivery, to deliver the something so people in their house. I'm delivery woman this time. We need to speak English speaking kinamatis because my partner here is English speaking. So we need to speak English kinamatis.
I'll help you.
Bye mga babies. Bye. Bye nanay. Bye. Because it's lockdown, we need to deliver. Oh, there is that girl crossing the street. Oh, need to to slow lang, to slowly. Oh, there's the dog again. What's that? It's a dog. I don't know what's that.
A pony.
What's that? It's a pony. I thought it's a dog. My eyes is blurred now. Hi. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. May I ask where is the way going to Pasig?
Just
Ma'am?
right here.
Where?
You're on it. Hi, where's my delivery of milk?
Oh
Please.
no, ma'am, I forgot your place. Oh, it's better you just. Oh, this is the BGC, ma'am. This is the BGC.
Yes.
Oh yeah, ma'am. Oh, I know. I forgot this place. I have a delivery. Oh, ma'am, this is your milk, ma'am. Sorry, I forgot. Ma'am, this is your milk because my apps is not working. That is why. Oh
Can I have
no.
my milk, please?
Here, ma'am. Here, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am. Okay,
Thank you so much.
welcome, mom. Welcome. Oh,
Come here, baby.
nice. Brum, 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 brum. Oh, mom, where's the way? I'm just asking again, mom, where's the way going to Pasig?
Oh man.
Where?
Pasig is right over there.
There, where?
Here.
Oh, no.
So far.
It's very far. But it's okay. Maybe I'm just continue driving over here.
Boom, boom,
Going
boom.
here.
Beep, 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 boom, boom, boom.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, here's your delivery. Maybe this is the food. I don't know what's that inside.
Oh, thanks.
Oh,
Can I have it? Can I have
okay,
it?
ma'am. Yeah, here's
Here.
maybe the smell.
Thanks. Bye. Boom.
This is the girl. This is the girl.
No, this is the traffic girl.
Oh, this is traffic
This
girl.
one.
I thought
I
that's
need
the
to
one
go to her.
who
Here we
received
go.
the delivery. Oh, ma'am, I'm just
Good morning.
I have no gas. Ma'am, where's the gas station here?
Here.
Oh, no,
I guess
it's
so.
better. It's
Oh, yes,
good.
it is
It's
there.
very near.
Wow. Ugh. All the time. Don't hurry.
How much my ano, ma'am? How much my gas? How much my gas, ma'am?
Done.
How much? How much?
120 pesos.
Oh, 120 pesos?
20 pesos now.
Oh, it's 20 pesos. Oh, no, it's
Thank
very
you.
good, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought it's very
Here's the money.
expensive, but I just only give you 20 pesos only, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I need to go, ma'am. I need to go home. Hurry up because my baby is calling me. Hi, mga babies. How are you? How's your day today?
Stop.
Nanay! Bunso is getting sick. Oh no, we need to hurry up. We need to bring her in the hospital. Oh, baby, you are not fit here inside because you are fat. You're not fit inside my car. Maybe you can ride here. You hold, baby. You hold because we need to hurry up. It's very bad. Yeah. Oh, it's falling. Oh no. We need to hurry up. Dang. What's the sound of the? Wee. Hold, baby. We need to bring the baby sister going to hospital. It's traffic. Oh no.
Beep, beep, beep,
Okay, we need to U-turn.
beep, 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 beep.
Need to U-turn. Oh! Kung may ano,
Where are the
other
horse
babies is,
colors?
is dagdag. Oh no! It's cannot fit there. Ring! I hold you. I hold you. I hold you lang. Ring! This is the hospital. Oh, Doc, here's my baby.
Thank you.
Oh no, Doc, please check up my baby. Oh no, I cannot get inside the car, Doc. Please help, Doc. Okay. Doc, can you check my baby? Please hurry up, Doc. Okay, well, I'll be
Good.
back, Doc. I'll be back, ah. I'll be back.
Okay.
Please help my baby.
I'll be
as possible,
after
Doc,
1
please.
day.
Okay,
One
I'm
day.
go back na.
One
Go back,
day
and go back.
later.
Okay, I'll go back. Doc, how's my baby there? How's my
Good.
baby?
She's already good.
Oh, it's really good. Oh, thank you, Doc. Thank you.
There you
Oh,
go.
thank you, doctor, for helping my baby. Thank you. We need to go home na. Thank you, doctor. How much my bill, Doc?
You don't need any bill.
Oh, thank you, doctor. You're so good. You're so very
Welcome.
good, doctor. I don't have money, Doc. I don't have money because I'm giving them a sum of the milk every day, so that is why I don't have. Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Take some money here. You don't need to pay
Bye,
me.
doctor. Bye.
Here's some money.
Oh, thank you, doctor, for giving some money to us, doctor. Thank
Welcome.
you.
Don't need to pay me.
Bye, doctor.
Bye.
Bye. Sana lahat ng doktor katulad mo. Oh, doctor, thank you. We're got home na. Bye.